If you want to look at the funnel settings, you'll go down here under the funnels, and you can again see the steps. So these are the pages, but they're also steps. So anytime you add a new page, or you can add a new step, you can add a page, you can add a pop-up. You can also, if your funnel's complicated, the section label allows you to just separate it. So maybe you're going to add other stuff. Maybe you want to send them to different things afterwards. So that could be there. The cool thing about funnels in Noomu is when you put, these are the steps in the funnel. So the links that get created, like it automatically sends people to the next page. So on this, for example, so this is the form that you would set up, and you go under the settings and it goes to next funnel step. But if you don't want it to go to the next funnel step, you can change it. You can change it to a different link and stuff like that. But when you like duplicate funnels, it will always go to the next page. It updates everything for you. So it automatically can go to the next step. But don't worry if you have navigation or something at the bottom or the top of the page when you incorporate into your website, it won't change those links. But all the other links, it will go to step 2. And in your funnel, you can set a goal. So this one has the goal of getting people to the thank you page. That means that the person has opted in and they've ended up there. So you can set that as a goal. To remove the goal is here, or you can just add the goal back in, and that's what you want to do. And then it'll tell you this, it'll keep the stats about your goals, like how many people actually got to that page. It'll also tell you if you made sales through this funnel. This doesn't have a product in here. It probably wouldn't show any of that, but on the product funnel, it would. You can also split test. So it's called an A/B test. So a split test is, and it's A/B split test. They call it different things, but it says A/B test here. And so you can create that. And now you could duplicate this page, or you could create a new page. As a bit of advice, if you are going to split test and you want a meaningful split test, it is better to use the same page and then make one change, like a significant change, like starting with the headline is a good place to start split testing, or split testing major points of your sales page.